Hi guys, so my next technology is called VoiceThread. So we've used it a little bit in some of our classes at Fort Hays, but this is something I learned about during my undergrad. So it's kind of, I hate to say it, like a glorified PowerPoint, but if I press the play button, it'll read over like my narration of the slides. I didn't want to do that because I'm obviously talking right now, but you can go through the slides. I kind of created a little PowerPoint about Washington, D.C. for my students last year. So it's kind of like a virtual field trip. It's not as exciting as like a 3D or a 360 field trip, but it kind of gives you the gist. But yeah, I really like that I can record over these. So even if a student isn't in class, they can still have the lecture or still have the notes from that day. So mine is about 26 slides, not super long, but my kids have access to it. I can share it, I can copy it, export it. And so it's really interesting. You can add closed captions if you'd like, make it full screen. I've only done one of these really in my educational career, but when I did it, I really liked that I could record and narrate it. And I mean, you can do that on PowerPoint and stuff, but I just think this looks so much better. I can link it. It's super easy to send out to people. So I'd like to use this in the future once my students have their iPads or tablets. So if there are notes that they need to take, or if there's a lecture that I know somebody will miss, I can just shoot this to them and they'll be good to go. So, yeah.